So I just am getting ready to leave. I'm going on a ski trip this weekend to, oh, someone's calling me. It's gonna have to wait. I'm getting ready to go on a ski trip right now. I'm going to Okima with my friends in Vermont. I'm so excited. I haven't been skiing in almost 2 years. And I also haven't seen my friends since last March. So almost a year ago, we went to Miami together. So I'm just like really excited. It's always a good time when I get together with my friends. It's always a good time when I go skiing. So yeah. But anyways, I have my skis in the back. I don't know if you can see. And my big old suitcase back there as well. You always gotta be prepared for every situation, and I'm always made fun of for the amount of stuff I bring on trips, but like I always end up needing a lot of it. So yeah, but I just got coffee from Starbucks, grande shaken espresso, oat milk, 1 pump white mocha, cinnamon powder. Not too sweet, not too bitter, lots of caffeine, just what I need. So yeah. Apparently it's snowing up in Vermont right now. It's pouring rain here. Thank God it's not raining there, because that would be the worst. But yeah, so I guess they got already 6 inches this morning. So hopefully it's gonna be really good conditions. But yeah, so mainly just want to do this vlog just for the purpose of having it for the memories, and being able to look back on it. But if you are watching, and if I did decide to share this with people, if you want to see my ski trip with my friends, stay tuned. So these are the skis I'm bringing. They're really old. I've had them since I was like 12, but skis are expensive and I don't go enough to justify buying new ones. So Kenny's using Ethan's old skis as well, and he has never skied before, so I'm gonna have to teach him. But yeah, it's everything I am bringing. Okay, so excuse the mess, but this is everything that I'm bringing on the ski trip this weekend. I know it looks like a lot, and I'm only gonna be there for like 2.5 days, but you have to bring layers because it's gonna be cold, and you know, pajamas and stuff to wear under your ski suit and just during the day. And then I have like just like an outfit if we go out to eat one night, which we are planning on doing. So I'm not sure of the name of the restaurant, but I'll know when I get there. But anyways, I have this top, which is just like a cream colored cute little tank top from Aritzia, and then I have 2 pairs of jeans. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to be wearing yet. They're both the same color, but this one's more of a relaxed fit. This is like tighter, so I'm not sure what the vibe is going to be yet for that, but I'm just going to wear these like green heels underneath the jeans, and then I wear this matching set under my ski pants, sweater in case I get cold at night. Then I have another pajama set, and then just like a casual outfit, some like flare leggings, pair of sneakers, sports bra, and this like really pretty cropped blue jacket from Lululemon. I love this jacket. It's so flattering and so cute. Then my second outfit I'm gonna be wearing under my ski outfit, just some more flare pants, a really like warm black long sleeve, little sports bra, a fleece, and then I'm also bringing these Uggs too because like they're really warm. And then another outfit I'm wearing underneath, which is just like super warm. It's matching as well. It's these like really thick leggings from Aloe. They're like really warm, so I thought that'd be perfect for to wear underneath like while I'm skiing. And then I have like this like really warm fleece pullover from Aloe as well. But yeah, so that is all my outfits. It's kind of a mess right now. I gotta organize it, but I like to plan ahead of time what I'm gonna be wearing, so it just like eliminates a lot of stress while I'm there. And I feel like picking out an outfit and like just throwing a bunch of stuff into your suitcase like just takes so much time when you're there trying to think of what to wear. Like, why not just already have everything picked out? So I also forgot to mention that there will be a hot tub there, so I am bringing this bikini. Thank goodness I remembered, because that would have sucked if I showed up and like didn't bring a bathing suit and wasn't able to go in the hot tub. But yeah, so just wanted to show that real quick. Snow is getting pretty bad, and we've been driving at no more than 40 miles an hour for the past hour. It's just been so bad. But yeah, we are in a winter wonderland. So we are completely snowed in. The owner of the Airbnb did not plow the driveway, so my car is stuck on the road. So yeah, we're gonna go try and get that out, but right now we're gonna try and get in. But look how cute. Woo! Slipping all over the place. So we have a dilemma. The Airbnb owner is not answering us. We are stuck in the middle of the road with my car on a really dangerous hill covered in ice. The whole driveway is covered in a foot of snow, so we can't get in the driveway. I'm still waiting on my friends to get here, and I'm hoping they get here safely. They're coming from New York, so they have a much longer drive than I did, but I'm hoping that they can just get here safely, and by the time they get here, we can have the driveway situation just figured out so that they can get in. I'll update it as we find out new information, and hopefully the Airbnb owner contacts us again, or contacts us at all, not again, because he has not answered us. But yeah, it is coming down out here. Like, I don't know if you can see in the video, but I don't know if you can see it all, but it's snowing, and you can tell like that's a foot of snow right there. But the driveway like literally looks just like this, so there's no way we're getting in with my car. But that's the sauna right there. The hot tub is literally like buried. Yeah, the cabin is very cute though, so it's like a little hammock bed right above us, which is kind of cool. But yeah. It's still snowing like crazy. We're gonna go try and get the car out to get some food. So some guy actually did end up coming and plowing, but as you can see, he was here like an hour ago and already like 2 inches accumulated. So yeah. We're gonna try and get the car out and pray that we can go get something to eat because we're starved, and hopefully the roads are plowed as well. So wish us luck.
I don't think so. We got enough footage. Okay, let's just get out of here.
Why don't we just stay here?
Stay here in this light.
Kenny, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yo! Shout out my boy Abate. It's so funny the steam coming off you too.
I know.
It's sick.
It does.
Literally, you're steaming.
It's like not human.
Yeah.
It's like Superman after he just got defeated by his
Oh my gosh, I can't even see you guys.
Oh, the steam, yeah. Okay.
This is like the fastest 60 seconds of my entire life. This is going by.
Slowest?
Very quickly. Do I look jacked at least, Shay?
Yeah, you do. As long as you look jacked.
Skinny fat, probably.
No.
You're skinny.
That's my big
Skinny
one.
jacked.
You used to be the hero, now I'm office guy.
It's so much like mist. Amanda.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
Belgian sugar waffles. Because they're sugar waffles. You put chocolate. No, you put chocolate waffles. Put it on the sugar waffle. You're gonna have a sugar high.
Okay. Okay.
So we were on our way to dinner.
He doesn't want to leave his car.
They got pulled into a snowbank because this truck was in the way doing construction or something. And yeah, so now the whole road is blocked. Updates soon.